capacity. He must be captured. Incoming communication from the Supreme Council.
Report.
The Doctor has obtained the location of our base on Ogravis. We are currently in pursuit.
He must not be allowed to reach Ogravis. He must be exterminated.
I obey.
The Supreme Council will not accept failure.
He will be destroyed.
I wouldn't get your hopes up, Langdon.
You will surrender to the Daleks.
I'm not coming back on board your ship. I know what's coming.
Explain.
Left you lot at present. Sorry I didn't get rapid, I was in a bit of a rush. Gotta pop down to this planet of yours. You see, I'm feeling rather generous today.